YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will install an RV porch light on the rack of my camper van.
My name is Doug. I'm a retired school teacher.
I built that camper van out of an old service van.
I will take you with me camping, fishing, going to the beach, going to baseball games. I'm going to teach you how to save some money. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Holiday 10.
Okay, so I ordered this porch light off of Amazon. It cost me $14 and it's LED. You can see all the little LED lights inside. It has a simple positive and negative black and white wire on the back. It says premium LED PC cover, ABS base, ideal for RV, motorhome, trailer, camper, SUV, and marine. So what I'm going to have to do, I think, is cut out an oval shaped piece of plywood to mount this to, and then mount that to the rack of my van, because I'm not going to mount it directly to the side of my van like most people would do on their RV. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. So I wired it into my fuse block, which is connected to one of my 12-volt batteries, and my fuse block back here is getting kind of messy looking. At some point I'm going to redo this whole battery box and make it so that it's not so crowded in here. Right now it's really crowded with a lot of things I have going on, but it's hooked up and it's ready to try. So I wired it up to a rocker switch, which I have to mount somewhere. I'm gonna drill a hole somewhere over here on the sidewall and mount the rocker switch. But rocker switch has some prongs on the back. You gotta make some connectors. When you turn it on, the light comes on there, and then porch light is on outside. Well, YouTube, that's about it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. Also, hit that thumbs up on the YouTube video. That would also help me out a lot if you liked the video. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, you did. If you didn't, you didn't. But hopefully you got something out of my video. I still am going to make some stealth camping videos coming up before March. And in March, I plan to go to Arizona. I'm going to take the van there. And I'm going to go watch Oakland A's baseball spring training games in Arizona. And I'm going to make videos every day, show you guys some of the ballparks that the Oakland A's and the other teams that they play against play in the Phoenix area. I will be doing some stealth camping in the Phoenix area there, and also camping at some campgrounds around the Phoenix area. And I'm going to show you all those places when I make my Phoenix trip. If you subscribe to my channel, you can see all my older videos. I've got a lot of good camping videos about Kennedy Meadows, and also about going to Monterey, California, and also Half Moon Bay, California with my van. And I do some stealth camping in those videos. So if you like my video, go ahead and check out all my older videos. If you subscribe to my channel, you can easily find all those old videos. So until next time, thanks for watching my video.